Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm so proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a head unit upgrade on a Ferrari F355 GTS. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So today's video is all about the head unit upgrading, adding functionality, but with a really nice classic look. In terms of what we've upgraded, we've taken out the dated unit, upgraded that with loads of functionality, but retained so much of the original look. What we've taken out using is the Blaupunkt Bremen SQR46 unit. So popular as a classic car radio. In terms of the solution, it gives you Bluetooth streaming, it gives you Bluetooth hands-free. Also, we've used a factory FM antenna, converted that, so we've got digital radio as well. So you've literally got FM and digital radio live directly on the new unit. However, nothing stuck on the windscreen, nothing sort of modified as such. Everything's done to the highest possible installation standards. On this car, we've also done a full custom sound system, so make sure you go check out some of the behind the sound videos to actually showcase a little bit more about what we can do with the actual sound in the vehicle. And this system, honestly, is absolutely insane. However, this video is all about the head unit, what sort of functionality we can actually add into the 355. So it's a single DIN unit, it goes into a stock location. Is a matte black finish, which is really nice. You can also change the colors over on the actual unit. At the moment we've set it on green, but we can customize that to blue, red, as you please. Overall, loads more functionality added in, but also what we've done is obviously retained a real factory look. We've got a little microphone which is really neatly installed as well. So you've got hands-free, Bluetooth streaming, you name it, it's all live directly in there. You've also got USB on the front of the unit, SD card slot, so much functionality. The link for the product will be in the description below, guys. If you're interested in the actual product itself, make sure you go check that out. It's in the description below, but also make sure you go check out some of those behind the sound videos because they are absolutely incredible. They actually go through step by step of the full sound system we've done on this 355. Overall, if you are after something like this, make sure you get in touch with us, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Other than that, we're all done.